Hi everyone, it's Karuna here, and I just wanted to talk to you really brief about some restorative yoga practices you can do and pair them with some essential oils. So I'm out here in the park today by the water, and I'm just going to do some restorative practice. And when I begin, I always like to open up my airways with doTERRA's Breathe blend, and it's a respiratory blend that supports everything with pranayama, breathing exercises, so really great for yoga. Opens up the airways, and it's got laurel, eucalyptus, peppermint, melaleuca, lemon, cardamom, ravensara, and ravensara. So I'm just going to put a drop in my hand, and then I just rub my hands together like this and breathe in. Taking some slow, deep breaths. And rub it on my neck and chest. And then I'm going to start with the first chakra, the root chakra, which is known as Muladhara. And I'm going to use myrrh oil. I really love myrrh. It's so grounding. It's really good for meditation. It's a very resinous oil. I don't know if you can see the top of the bottle there, but really resinous. So it's a really thick oil. Comes out super slow, kind of like, almost like honey, but not quite. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rub my hands together again, and I'm going to coat the soles of my feet. And then the posture I wanted to show you is called Supta Konasana. Really easy. I have a really beautiful bolster that's made from Saatchi Organics. I'm giving a shout out to them. My friend Lois owns that company in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and they have a store in Santa Fe. And she makes these amazing bolsters that are all organic materials, and this one's organic cotton. And then I'm just going to do Supta Konasana on there. So I'll show you how that's done. If you don't have this bolster, all you have to do is get one of those pillow rolls, like a round pillow roll, or you can just roll up blankets. So I'm going to put the soles of my feet together. You can make this as wide or narrow as you want, depending on your flexibility. And then you want to make sure that the bolster is about 4 inches or so from your low back, so it doesn't jam your low back, so you can just figure out what works for you. And you're going to exhale as you recline back over the bolster, and then let your arms drape out to the side so it works as a chest and hip opener as well. And you can close your eyes. You can put an eye pillow over your eyes if you'd like to. And you can stay up here for as long as you'd like. To get out of the pose, bring your feet back to the earth and just roll over to the side. Give yourself a little rest. And then push yourself all the way back up and come to a seat. Okay, try that at home. Let me know what you think. Please write your comments below, and feel free to check out my website, which is namastekaruna@yahoo.com. Thanks everyone. Namaste.